guys, welcome to CV Classics. We're going to do a quick update today on the 55 Chevy Belair. So today I'm going to show you the new top, the new interior, and then the guys are going to be working on putting a new transmission in. But that won't be in today's video. We will give you a follow-up video on that. So you guys remember Robbie, he is the owner of this fantastic and beautiful car.
Yep, I can't wait to have it all done. So we got a new top put on the car. It's white, it's custom because it matches the back paint. The back paint is a Ford white, so I couldn't get a Chevy white to match up to it, so he had to make a custom top so the white blends right in with the back. And we got new interior, the same interior guy did all the interior work. Like a baseball color, baseball mitt color. Today we're going to rip out the carpet and put the shifter in a different location because that's an older shifter. It's probably going to go closer back to the seat.
Hey guys, so today we're going to put in a Tremec TKX into the 55. It currently has a 3-speed in it, and Robbie wanted to put an overdrive, and you can't go wrong with the brand new TKX. So it's almost bulletproof. It's up to set like 700 horsepower. You can't destroy it with an average carbureted motor that he has in the car. So I just wanted to show off some of the parts before we install it. So here's pretty much the package. We got this set up from Modern Driveline. We went with a Kevlar clutch, so you can get clutches in different styles and materials. And we got the pressure plate, the shifter, the yoke, the fluid, the training mounts, the shifter ball, and all the hardware that goes along with it. And then there's the transmission. So we're just going to rip that out of the box and show you guys what it looks like out of the box, brand new. That's the Tremec TKX transmission, and shortly we're going to put that into the car.
Okay guys, as you can see, they are prepping to get the transmission dropped into this car. So stay tuned for a follow-up video with the process of how that gets done. Thanks for watching.